Stay cool. Signs you must repair or replace your air conditioner. Air conditioning contractor in Crofton LLC. Is your air conditioner acting up? Let's explore the factors to consider. Regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your air conditioning system. Now, let's dive into the importance of regular maintenance and tune-ups. The compressor is the heart of your air conditioning system. Let's learn more. Discover the significance of the compressor and its role in cooling your home. Efficiency matters. Find out how it impacts your air conditioning unit. Learn why energy-efficient units can save you money in the long run. To repair or replace. Let's weigh the options for your air conditioner. Discover when it's more cost-effective to upgrade to a new unit. To summarize, we've covered the key points. Stay cool and make informed decisions. For more information, visit us at https://www.croftonhvaccontractor.com.